Let's talk about my new standing desk that Progressive Desk sent over. This is their Ryzer standing desk. I have a lot to cover in this video. We're going to go over assembly, the ups, the downs, quite literally. But yeah, man, let's get into it. So that is the frame, and that is my little helper Val.
Looking to help.
The frame I got is the white frame, and I got the ebony oak tabletop. So it's that dark, like black finish. It's got a little bit of shine to it. Assembly, no problem. After I got everything taken out of the packages, probably took me about 30 minutes just to make sure the screws were tight. But very, very easy to follow. It came in 2 packages and was very, very simple, honestly. This desk itself has a dual motor, so it has a motor on each of the sides there, as you can see. They also provide customization, white frame, black frame, different colors, and L shape as well, and multiple sizes. And it all runs based off of one little button pad that you can see on the right side here in a little bit. But as you can tell, this is me working on it. Being able to stand is nice. Creativity goes a long way when you're not stuck sitting the whole time. And the fact that you can adjust it is awesome too. But here I want to go over a little example of when this desk became practical for me. I had some panels, some art panels that kept falling down. So as you can see, I am holding that button. The range is from 23.6 to 49.1 inches. So you have a pretty big range there. I mean, that thing's like basically just above my kneecaps, and then it rises really, really far. So the fact that I was able to lower it, put the panels back up where they needed to go, and then raise it back up was very, very crucial. That was just one cool little thing I wanted to show off with this desk. The motor itself is super quiet. It has a great finish on top, and it can hold up to like 270 pounds. So you can put a ton on there. But as you can tell, it looks fantastic. It adds a little pop to my room. It makes working fun. And I actually wake up just like wanting to use it, you know? You can throw a little treadmill on the bottom there like I did, get creative with it. Your options are endless with something like this. This is an amazing product. I love it.